Hello bakers and welcome to Upside Down. In today's video, I just wanted to thank everyone for subscribing and following my tutorials. In this year, we managed to do more than 500,000 views, gained more than 4.1k subscribers, and overall watched 14k of hours of tutorials. Thank you a lot for your feedback and as well for support of me, the channel, and the content. I wish you happy holidays, and now we are going to see some of the best moments from this year. Thank you for joining me in today's video. See you next time.